Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to create a guild in Dota 2. Well, in Dota 2, how to create a guild, first thing you need to do, you need to go here. And once you click here, you will see here there will be a create guild. But right now in my own guild, that's why I cannot see a create guild. But once I can see a create guild, you will be see enter a name of the guild. For example, I name mine BSPRN, which is called Best Friend. So that's how you make your guild, and you just need to add some details like this. Guild name, I keep learning. Message, I said hi. Language, regions, invite only. Descriptions, and required rank. And of course, the logo of the Dota 2 guild. So here, that's how you make a guild in Dota 2. So I hope you learned something, and if you want to join my guild, just type down in the comments below what's your Dota 2 name or your Dota 2 number, then I'll add you, then you can join my guild. So yeah, that's how you make a guild in Dota 2. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.